Professor Catherine Greenhill makes no secret of her love for mathematics.
There's a stereotype of the mathematician not being very emotional, but I think for a lot of us, we really care about our mathematics. It's very personal as well. It's a bit more like how a poet feels about their poetry or a musician feels about their music, I think.
Professor Greenhill tackles fundamental questions in an area of mathematics known as combinatorics. In particular, she studies the theory of graphs.
Graphs and hypergraphs have heaps of applications, like the vertices of a graph could be cities and the edges between them could be direct train links.
But those sorts of properties are often too predictable for Professor Greenhill. So instead, her research focuses on random graphs, which can be used to help understand the typical structure of a complex network.
And that can help people who have a network that they've found in their own research, say in physics or something, and they've noticed some properties of that network. They want to know whether those interesting properties are because of the function of the network or whether they would just be there by chance.
Her work has been highly cited, with applications in areas such as computer science and coding theory. She says she does it mainly because it's fun and describes the moment of solving a problem as a natural high.
One nice thing is when colleagues say, I was impressed that you solved that problem, or when it hasn't been solved for a long time and you managed to solve it.
But solving a complex problem can sometimes take years. She says any good mathematician needs perseverance and curiosity, two traits she tries to instill in her students at UNSW Sydney.
What I want to get the students to do is to play with the concepts independently, and sometimes they're really worried about saying something that might be wrong. I hope that even the students who would never answer a question externally are sort of thinking about the question in their minds.
Professor Greenhill describes becoming a Fellow of the Australian Academy of Science as a great honour, and one she hopes will inspire other women to pursue a career in maths.
It's not just about getting women and other underrepresented groups into the field, it's about making sure the field is a welcoming and safe and supportive and encouraging environment. And that's a challenge for everybody. It's making sure that people feel that they have the chance to shine and do their best.